Menopause is something I thought I was ready for. We all know it's coming, but when it actually happened to me, it wasn't what I expected. It's not just about your period stopping. There's so much more to it. What I wasn't prepared for was the emotional toll, the mental fog, and the changes to my body that came with it. The hot flushes, night sweats, exhaustion, everyone talks about those. I'd be at work, and suddenly it felt like my whole body was on fire. At night, I'd wake up drenched in sweat, unable to get back to sleep, and the next day the exhaustion was overwhelming. But the hardest part wasn't the physical symptoms. It was the emotional swings that caught me off guard. Some days I'd feel fine, and then suddenly I'd be hit with this deep sadness for no reason. I'd snap at my family over the smallest things and feel guilty afterward. It's like my emotions were on a pendulum, swinging wildly, and I had no control. I've always been in control of my emotions, but menopause made me feel like I wasn't myself anymore. It's exhausting, for me and for the people around me. My confidence took a big hit too. The weight gain crept up on me and I couldn't recognize myself. My hair thinned, my skin changed, and I just didn't feel attractive anymore. It wasn't just about looks. It felt like I was losing the person I used to be. And the brain fog? No one really talks about that. I'd forget where I left my keys, walk into a room and not know why I was there. It made me feel diminished, like I wasn't as sharp as I used to be. That constant self-doubt has been tough to deal with. Menopause can feel isolating, like you're going through it alone. And that's been one of the hardest parts, this silence around it. It's something every woman goes through, but we don't talk about it enough. There's this sense that you should just get through it without complaining. But it's not just hormones. It's life-changing. It's my body, my mind, everything shifting. And I've realised it's okay to ask for help. I've started talking to my friends, and it's made such a difference to know I'm not alone. I've also begun taking care of myself more, whether it's yoga, meditation, or even hormone therapy. It's about finding balance and being kind to myself. Menopause is a journey and it's not easy, but I'm learning to accept the changes, to be patient with myself, and to ask for support when I need it. It's just another chapter, and I'm still here, still me, just figuring it out one day at a time.